Hello everyone, welcome to this video and back again with me, Kadek Agus Tamayasa, with NIM 2115101048 from the Computer Science Study Program, Ganesha Education University. So now I will present my midterm test Human-Computer Interaction. The title is Interaction Design of Shoes Cleaning Service, also known as Shoesman, based on mobile application and supporting lecture by Iketut Resika Artana, ST MCom, and arranged by me. And then, okay, before we start, why did I choose to make this application interaction design? So the goal is to make it easier for customers to make a source washing transaction, especially at this time the development of gadget in the world is also growing. Okay, let's start. The first, and understand content of use, and number A, who the user are. The user is number one is admin or worker, and number two the general public or people who have a dirty shoes or salesman customer. And then number B, what they do. Admin or worker are basically selling service usually by cleaning shoes, and the customer are basically people who have the dirty shoes or want to clean shoes. And then number C, what problem they have. The customer problem is number one, don't have free time or are busy, so they don't have time to clean their shoes. And then number two, don't understand how to clean shoes properly. Number three, lazy because they have too many dirty shoes. Number four, difficulty finding a good shoes wash place or one that has a high rating. Number five, lazy to take a dirty shoes outside. And admin or worker have problem. Number one, difficulty finding customer offline in pandemic era. Number two, consumer who don't want to pay on time even though the product is finished. And number three, don't and not having a good time management if there are a lot of order and eventually the order pile up. And number four, order decrease or slightly during this pandemic. So what's their need are? They are need an application that can be liaison between consumer and seller in term of buying and selling service, namely cleaning shoes quickly, patiently, and with a simple system that it easily understood by user, but a beginner and professional. Okay, we go. Okay, I've been great three user persona by interview of my friend. Number one, we have Nadia Wimurcita as the customer. She have goal to want to get a shop recommendation based on rating, want to get a shop that is near not too far, and frustration the distance from the shop is too far. Then the lazy to bring their resource to the store, busy with all activities on campus, don't know service how, difficulty picking up shoes when finished. And then we have the Tegar Mertana as a customer. He have goal want to get the best quality service, and then want to paying using an e-wallet, and the frustration he have don't know the quality of shop, and then complicate payment system and afraid there will be problem with the item of after cleaning. And then this last we have Andira Hardi as a admin or worker. The goal he want is one increase in customer, easy payment. The system is simple and not complicated or confusing. And the frustration he have don't have money or have many budget or promotion on social media. Customer decrease during the pandemic. Difficulty communicate with the customer. Okay. Number two, we have the specify user requirement. Uh, Number one, we have user and respondent as a customer. The problem they have is if an error occur in the cleaning process or the shoes become damaged. And then the solution on interaction design is there is a customer service feature, so that customer don't have to worry about the goods after they process. If there's any damage or incomplete, it can be reported. And then the admin has problem, limited fund to promote and market service. Solution on interaction design is there is a share feature. If you have cleaned your shoes in the application, there's a recommendation feature based on rating from consumer and distance from consumer. And number three, we have the customer. The problem is don't know the distance between the customer and the cleaning shop. Okay. Solution on interaction design is there's a distance feature between the cleaning shop and recommendation for the closest cleaning shop to the location. And number four, we have the customer, and the problem they have is payment limitation, only serve cash payment. Okay, solution on interaction design is there is a payment feature that other than COD, namely payment by e-wallet. And then we will go to the number three, design solution. At this stage, please follow the following step. Okay, number A, create a user flow from each solution. I have been create the user flow, but because this image is not good in Word, we will go to the Bizagi modular application. Okay, okay. Let's start in Bizagi. This is the transaction process, and then this box of customer and this box for admin or worker. Okay, first start with a customer login first, and then customer are looking for certain service they want, and then and then they make a purchase or desire service. This and then after this purchase, this will confirm order to admin. In confirm order, they have two option. Admin have two option, and the first one is time and worker ready. They will go to choose a payment method, and then if the option number two, time and worker cannot, they will back to the customer are looking for service they want. And then after the choose a payment method, there will be option here, or using an e-wallet or COD. If they pick if they use an e-wallet, they will go to the payment successful page. And then if they go to if they want to use COD, and then the next is COD confirmation. In this COD confirmation, two option. If the admin or worker can do that, they will go to the payment successful. And then if COD confirmation cannot, they will back to the choose payment method. Okay, we will go back after payment successful, and then order is processed by the admin the worker. And then after the order is processed, and then the order is absolutely complete. And then after the order is complete, uh, customer need to confirmation the order. And then there's two option for customer. If there is no problem, they will go to store rating page, and then also end. And then and then there is a problem, and then the customer will go to the report problem and lose to the admin or worker. And then there's two options. One is product compensation or the product service. They same will go ahead, but if there's a problem, they will not go to the store rating like that. Okay. Okay, we next move to B. Create a flow map. Oh, this is my flow map for this this midterm. Okay, the first one we have splash screen, 3 second, login or register menu, home, user profile, search bar, chat, admin or customer menu, cleaning shop list, navigation, admin or customer menu. Okay, we will go to the search surface. In the search surface, we have the okay, we will go to the customer menu first. Okay, we have the home, user profile, search bar, that cleaning shop list, navigation. Okay, we go to the search surface menu to search to desire of cleaning shop or service, and then we have the user profile contain the personal data and the amount of balance and money, and then the navigation we have two overlay navigation and bottom navigation, and then chat menu to communicate with the seller or admin, and then the cleaning shop list. Okay, the cleaning shop list, there's three. First is recommendation, closest, and the popular. And then the cleaning shop tree is the recommendation, recommend by for place for washing shoes, and the closest is closest distance from the customer, and the popular is cleaning shop that has high level of popularity or rating. Okay, we will go to over bottom navigation. We have four: account, home, history, and bookmarks. Okay, let's get start to account. In this account, we have the user information, address, phone number, or we and then WhatsApp like that. And then the history is information on the user entire order history, and then we have the bookmarks. To mark our favorite cleaning shop, or we usually frequent. And then we have the overlay navigation. We have four: the first setting, promotion, logout, and FAQ. And then we get to setting, and then setting is user information, address, phone number or WA, change language, and then FAQ contain of frequently asked question by consumer, and then log out to back to the login or register menu. And then we have the admin menu is admin profile, order notification menu, order history menu, chat with customer menu, order confirmation menu, active order menu, custom choice of service menu, and navigation. And navigation, we have the two overlay navigation and bottom navigation like that before. In bottom navigation, we have account, home, history, and chat. And overlay navigation, we have a setting, promotion, logout, and FAQ. Okay, like that. We will go next to the great wireframe. Okay, I have made the prototype with high fidelity prototype. Because the image is so good, we will move to Figma. Okay, we move to Figma first. Okay, this is my wireframe I have been made before. And then okay, let's get started. And this is the splash screen on 3 seconds. After that, this is the login customer menu, and this is for the login admin menu. Okay, the first we have to login customer. Okay, what if don't have an account? We can sign up here. Then we can input or the or information about that, and we can sign up here, and then we can login. We can choose login. Okay, this is the home or the dashboard of Shoesman application. Okay, in this application we have the three biggest menu basically. The first is recommendation, closest, and popular. And the recommendation is for the store that are being recommended by the having a good rating like that. And the closest is the store or closest with your current location right now. And then the popular is the store as is a popular or have a high rating or increased rating and customer right now. Okay, this is the best recommendation. And then we have the uh, profile menu and search menu, and then we have the chat menu, and then the overlay. Okay, this overlay navigation, and then navigation bottom navigation, we have the home in like this, and history and bookmarks and account. Okay, let's get start with the I want to make a purchase. Okay, we will for example, we will choose the Shoesman first, and then in this service type list you can scroll here, and then you can see the location, this is a correct location by according to the Google Maps right now. And then you can see the service type list. Okay, on this one I will choose the, you can see you can bookmark the ini right now. Then okay, first I will choose the first clean here. Okay, and you can direct to the payment confirmation. On this payment confirmation you can choose the balance, e-wallet, COD, or m-banking. Okay, I will choose the e-wallet here. Okay, after I choose, the payment is being processed. Okay, like that, and fast clean like that. And then you can back to the home, and then you can see the process here, and then this is the popular menu. Okay, okay, I will. Oh, okay, I will. Okay, next we will go to the history. Okay, in this history, you can see the recurrent transaction by all, and this is all of your transaction, and this for this month. Okay, we will go to okay, for example, we will go to the fast clean first, and then this is the transaction detail. As you can see, fast clean by payment by e-wallet, service, and then you can see service, the cleaning shop, and then the status here, and the time, the date, the transaction ID, and then the payment method, and then the total price. And then absolutely we have the QR code for the transaction data. And then after that, you can rate rating now. If there is no problem, you can rating now in here, and then write all of your review about this transaction, or how you feel about this transaction. Okay, if you have a complaint like that, or the complaint like that, you can choose the complaint menu in here, and please write down all of your complaint and problem with with this transaction here. Then you can submit. Okay, we will go to bookmarks menu. Oh, bookmark is for the store, or store you want or you love, you can bookmark here, and then don't for and then that can be, you don't forget about that. Okay, we will the account. In this account we can see my account, your profile picture, and then your username, email address here, address your, and then your phone number. Okay, we will move to the chat, and then the chat you can see here, you can see the chat with the store or admin on the store. Okay, like that. And then you search here, you can search the store you want, like that. Okay, we will next to the overlay. The first overlay we have to setting, yes. Yeah, also like you can setting your all of your information about, like username you can change, and then your email address you can change, your address absolutely can change, and then your phone number, and then your and then the language of this application you can change here. Okay, like that. Okay, we next to the FAQ, or the or friendly question. And then this is it, you can see this, the all of question that have been made that before, and then you can see how, like that, you can see this on your screen, like the question is absolutely also by customer. And then the promotion, we have the promotion is, so the promotion the conclusion, the all purpose of this is to increase the application to bigs up, and then you can share to Instagram and TikTok, Facebook, and or copy this link like that. Okay, we will next to I think all of this have been present. Okay, we will go to logout, logout first, and then we will login as admin and login on admin. Okay, the first is input your of your information, and then in this one you need to OTP code. Okay, the first is you must to verify your phone number. Okay, after the verified code has been sent, you can check your mobile number, and then you log in, and then you type the OTP code here, and then you can log in. Okay, this is the home and dashboard of admin menu for, you can see the, as you can see here, let's just order, and then the all status, this all request to date by fast clean and repent, and you can see the already this is the already paid, this not yet paid, and then the all status, as you can see, this the all status right now, the all of order status right now. You can see the profile, and then this is search button, and then we will go to the history first. Okay, okay. In this history, we can see the chart of sales statistic, and then of the month. And you can see the June, July, August, and September. And we can see here the total view of the store, and then total order of the store, and order in process right now by the store. And then we can see the history of the store right now by the it's rate by the who paid year, and then you can see already paid. This is rate by 4.9 like that, and then you can see the here. Okay, this month is absolutely chart with this month, and then total view on this month, and total order this month, and order process in this month right now. And you can see here this same like that before. Okay, as you can see there is the name like that. Okay, we will back go to chat menu. Chat menu is absolutely same like before on the customer menu. Okay, we will go to account. Account is absolutely same like that. Contain the username, email address, or your account, your address, and then your phone number like that. Okay, okay, okay. Right now we will go to the this one. Okay, this is the custom of choice service button. Oh, okay. This is the custom of choice of service button. Okay, in this page you can add a new service if you want. You can click this, and then if you want to remove the choice of clean surface, you can remove by this button like that, and then you can see. Okay, you already know, I think. Okay, we will back to overlay navigation by this one. Okay, this is the overlay navigation, the setting we have. Okay, setting is same like that before. It's contain the username, you can change here, the email address, and then the address of you or your store, and then your phone number, and then the language if you have been used right now. It's same like before. Okay, we will go back. Then the FAQ as frequently asked question. And then this is same like the customer menu that before. You can see what's your problem, and then this is the problem here, all of problem. Okay, we will go back. Then this is promotion. Okay, in this promotion, I think it's same like customer menu to increase this application to biggest up like that. You can share to Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and you can copy the link here. Okay, we will go back, and then I think all of the function I've been present you right now, and then the last we will go to log out. Okay, okay, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and then have a nice day for you all the watching on this video. Thank you.